There have been a lot of questions on how to cite a picture, and we did learn this earlier in the year with the library TAs, but that was a while ago. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to Google so we can find a picture. I'm going to look for a picture of a cartoon kid. And then I'm going to go to images so I can take a look. And maybe I need to narrow down my search because this isn't giving me what I'm looking for. So I can add more words. So maybe I'm looking for a cartoon kid who is sad. And then I'm going to try and find my picture. You'll notice that some of the pictures are better quality than others. So for example, this picture that says Shutterstock behind it, we don't want to use those kind of pictures in our book if we can avoid it, because they aren't very nice pictures because there's words through them. So instead, I'm going to choose this picture that says cute sad boy sitting alone. So maybe I copied and pasted this picture into my book, but now I have to cite it, because if I steal pictures from the internet and I do not cite them, I automatically fail my project because I've plagiarized. So I need to make sure I'm citing my sources. So once I've copied and pasted this picture, I now need to go to the actual website it came from by clicking on the link. This is what I'm actually going to cite. So what I'm going to copy and paste into either EasyBib or Oculus or whatever program you want to use. There are other ones out there like Citation Machine. Just make sure you're using MLA when you are citing. You are going to copy this URL to use when you're citing. You're going to look at this website to see if you can find a date that this was published, to see if you can find an author. A lot of times there's not a whole lot of information when we're looking at pictures, unfortunately. So if we scroll down, I would have to put this free pick company. That is who published this. When I scroll back up here, I didn't see a specific date, but it did say 5 months ago. 5 months ago it was January, so I know January 2020 would be the year and month that I would put. I just don't have a specific date. And from what I can see, there's no actual author, so I would have to leave that information blank. So I'm not making up information, but I'm seeing what is provided to me on the website. That is the steps that you need to follow when you're citing your pictures. If you don't go through all of these steps, that's going to be a problem, because then you're missing information. So you need to look at the top, you need to look at the bottom to see what kind of information you can find to fill out your form either in Oculus or EasyBib or some other citation creation. I hope this is helpful.